In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and get the Lemonade Insurance app, especially designed for 2025. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, I'm here to guide you every step of the way to make this process as smooth as possible. Lemonade Insurance offers a modern and user-friendly way to manage your insurance needs, putting everything right at your fingertips. To get started, you'll first want to open the application store on your smart device. If you're using an Android device, that means navigating to the Google Play Store. For those of you on an iPhone or iPad, you'll be heading to the Apple App Store. This is your one-stop shop for all apps, ensuring you download the latest and safest version available. Once you've got your App Store open, you'll see a search bar located conveniently at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in Lemonade Insurance app. As you type, you'll notice suggestions popping up. These are based on your query to make searching quicker and easier. After you hit that search button, take a moment to browse through the search results. It's important here to ensure you're selecting the correct app, as there can be multiple similar options. Look for the distinctive Lemonade Insurance logo, a white background with a pink L. This logo indicates you found the official app, backed by the company's stringent security and quality measures. Now that you've identified the app, tap on it from your search results. This will open up the app's page, where you'll find more detailed information, including user reviews and ratings. These can offer insight into the experiences of other users, though since this is a tutorial for 2025, the feedback is likely to be all about the newest features. The next step is to click the Install button. This process will begin downloading and automatically installing the app onto your device. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speeds, but generally it should be done within a minute or two. Keep an eye on the progress bar for real-time updates. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and open the app. Upon your first launch, permission prompts might pop up, asking you to grant access to certain functions on your phone, such as notifications or location services. Granting these can enhance your user experience, making it easier to receive timely updates and tailored services right from the app. And there you have it, the Lemonade Insurance app is now installed on your device, ready to provide you with cutting-edge, user-friendly insurance management. Be sure to explore its features and make the most out of having your insurance details so effortlessly accessible. Thank you for joining me today, and happy insuring!